Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today's class is related with the class yesterday. Let's take revise. First we was learning adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is the words that describes about noun and pronoun, that is called adjective. Then secondly we was learning the degree of adjective, that is the three types: positive degree of adjective. Then we was learning that is the comparative degree of adjective. Then we was learning the superlative degree of adjective. First we was learning positive degree of adjective, that is the adjective in which we describe about one person, not for comparison. Then second one is comparative degree of adjective, that is the comparison between two things. And third one is superlative degree of adjective, that is the comparison between two to more things. That was we was already learning. If you have don't see any video, then I would highly recommended you to see all these videos. So today's class we will be started. Yesterday as we was learning, that is adjective. Adjective is describe about noun and pronoun, and I was said today we will be discuss about the different types of adjective. That are the 6 types of adjective is here. First is adjective of quality, second is adjective of quantity, third is adjective of number, then fourth is demonstrative adjective, and fifth is interrogative adjective, and sixth is possessive adjective. First we will be discuss about adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity is that adjective that word that describe about quantity of noun and pronoun. I was said adjective is the word that describe about noun and pronoun, but here is the quantity of adjective, quality of adjective, that is the it describe about quality of noun and pronoun. Let's take one sentence example, make it easy. First we will be take one example, that is I have a nice teddy. Nice is your source that the describe about noun and pronoun. Nice source, the nice source the quality of noun and pronoun in this sentence, that is called the adjective of quality. If that adjective shows quality of a person or a quality of a noun or pronoun, that is called adjective of quality. Let's discuss or more examples like Ram is a good boy. Good is your adjective, and good describe about the quality of a noun, that is called quality of a adjective. Second one is the quantity of adjective. Quantity of adjective is that adjective that shows about quantity of a noun and pronoun. I have enough money. Enough shows the quantity, some quantity. So it is called quantity of adjective. Then third one is adjective of number. Words that describe exact number of noun. Here and here, this is the difference I will tell you. Adjective of quantity, it means shows the quantity of noun and pronoun, but adjective of number is that shows the exact number. Here is not number. Enough means some quantity, enough quantity it means more quantity, but here is the 4 is the exact number, so it is called the number of adjective. Words that describe about exact number of noun, that is called adjective of number. Let's take one sentence example, then it make it easy. Shivani has a 4 number. Shivani has 4 number. So 4 is your shows the exact number of noun, that is called the number of adjective. Then fourth one is demonstrative adjective. We had already learned that demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, all are. So today we will learn demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, that words that point out a person, things or animal. If that word point out a person, things or animal, that is called that demonstrative adjective. Let's take one example. This book is mine. So here is book, this book is the things, so it shows the things, that is called demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, if we take one example like related to animal, this cat is mine, cat is your animal, and this is the shows the demonstrative adjective. Then let's move to the fifth one, that is the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective is that word that it use with noun to ask question. Interrogative means we all know that interrogative means it is the question word. It based to the WH question. WH question like nouns to ask the question. WH means which, who, whom, whose and how. It is all are called WH question related words. That is the WH word also it's called. So if we ask some question in the sentence and there we have to pick one adjective, in that case interrogative adjective is connected. So which is your adjective of interrogative. It is called the interrogative adjective. Let's move to the sixth one, that is the possessive adjective. Possessive adjective is that adjective shows the ownership of noun. Here is possessive adjective shows the ownership of noun, that is Joy left his bed at home. He shows the ownership of the noun. So it is called the possessive adjective. Ownership, it means bed's owner is Joy. Joy is the owner of the bed. So his is your adjective and this adjective is called ownership of noun. So it is called the possessive adjective. It all are the six types of adjective is the most important adjective. Adjective is various types are here, but 6 important adjective that are very important for all. So I discussed the 6 types of adjective is here. Let's revise one again. First we was learn that adjective, then second we was learn that is the degree of adjective, then thirdly we was learn that is the types of adjective, that is a various types of adjective, that is a 6 type: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective and the interrogative adjective and the possessive adjective. Adjective of quality shows the only describe about the quality of a noun, and the quantity, so quantity is describe about the quantity of noun. Then third is the adjective of number that shows the exact number. Fourth is demonstrative that shows the animal, things, person. These 3 things are contained into the demonstrative adjective. Fifth one is the interrogative to ask question. For asking question, if we want to pick the adjective, then in that case interrogative adjective is used. Sixth one is possessive adjective. It shows only the ownership. It all about the adjective. If you like my video, please share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.